Hola chicas y chicos, it's time to level up your glam game. Today we're unboxing this LUXFURNI Hollywood Vanity Mirror with luces. Yes, with lights. Let's open it. A ver qué tal. So check it out. Let's put it together. A ver qué tal. Connect it right there. The back, if you want to hang it up. So check this out. It's super easy to put together. This LUXFURNI Vanity Mirror is giving bright lights, bold vibes, and total main character energy. With 3 color lighting modes, a USB charging port, and a slick design. It's the ultimate makeup must-have. Whether you're doing your makeup or just vibing in your vanity space, este espejo adds a whole Hollywood vibe in your room. Yes, tabletop or wall mount. You decide. From warm to daylight to cool glow, this vanity mirror has all your lighting moods covered. Plug in, glow up, and shine like the star you are. So upgrade your glam space today. Get yours now.